Welcome to my YouTube channel Modi Mechanical Engineering Tutorials. In this video, I would like to explaining about eutectic reactions into the general case as well as for the iron carbon diagram. So basically eutectic reactions, that will be our liquid, it will be converting into two different solids. So that will be solid 1 plus solid 2. So this liquid, by the cooling, it will be converting into two new solid. And suppose we heat these two solid, so that will be also converting into a liquid. So here just you can see 100% liquid that will be transforming into the two new solid. So that temperature, it will be known as a eutectic temperature, and specified compositions, that will be known as a eutectic compositions. So in simple way, at eutectic temperature and eutectic compositions, all the 100% liquid that will be transforming into the two new solids. So that will be a eutectic reactions. So just you can note down like this: 100% liquid, it will be transforming into solid 1 and solid 2. Now this eutectic reaction, that will be also for the iron carbon diagram. So now we will discussing for eutectic reactions onto the iron carbon diagram. So according to the iron carbon diagram, our liquid, which will be 4.3% of the carbon. So this 100% liquid at 4.3% of carbon, so that will be known as a eutectic compositions, and at 1147 degree temperature, so that will be known as a eutectic temperature for the iron carbon diagram. So 100% liquid at this set of conditions of the temperature and compositions, which will be converting into two new solids. So this solid 1 for iron carbon diagram, it will be act as a gamma austenite. So that will be maximum solubility up to the 2% of carbon and a temperature range of 1147. Now solid 2, so that will be act as a Fe3C, or you can say cementite. So that Fe3C, it will be up to the solubility for carbon into iron, that will be 6.67%. So that will be the eutectic reactions, it will be occurs onto the iron carbon diagram. So basically eutectic reactions, that will be 100% liquid at 1147 degrees centigrade and 4.3% of carbon. So it will be the formation of gamma austenite plus cementite, or you can say Fe3C. So at this point, transformation of gamma austenite plus Fe3C, so that will be known as a ledeburite. So this is a general reactions of the eutectic reactions, and this will be known as a eutectic reactions onto the iron carbon diagram. Now we will discussing with the iron carbon diagram. So let's see. So on to x-axis, that will be the representation of weight percentage of carbon, and onto the y-axis, that will be the temperature in degrees centigrade from both the ends. So just you can make a point at a eutectic temperature, so that will be around 1147. So just you can note down for this side, that will be 1147, and making a one horizontal line. So by the making one horizontal line from a eutectic temperature, and just you can make a composition, so just you can make a point at 4.3% of carbon. So let's make a point of 4.3% of carbon. So this 4.3% of carbon at 1147. So this point, that will be the representation of eutectic point. Now according to the eutectic reactions, so here that will be the formation of the gamma austenite maximum, it will be the 2% of carbon at 1147, so that will be the 1147 line, and here that will be the 4.3. So just you can make a point for 2% of carbon. So just you can make that will be the 100% solubility. So that will be the only formation of gamma. And just you can make a one line, or can say liquidous lines. So just you can make a line like this, and making a one vertical line which is passing through the eutectoid points. So just you can see, so this transformation line, or you can say eutectic reaction line. So according to the eutectic reaction line, so this will be act as a liquidous line. So as per the definition of the liquidous line, all the above portion of the liquidous lines, that will be formation of 100% liquid. So just above this transformation line, it will be the formation of 100% liquid. So once it will be touched the eutectic point for the 1147 temperature and 4.3% of carbon only, so that will be converting into two new solids. So that would be nothing but gamma austenite plus cementite, or you can say Fe3C. So that will be nothing but, you can say it will be the ledeburite. So at this point only it will be the formation of ledeburite. So here that will be the gamma phase, here that will be the liquid phase. So in between liquid plus gamma. Similar way, here it will be the 100% liquid, that will be the enrichment of the carbon, so around 6.67% over here. So that will be the formation of liquid plus Fe3C, or you can say cementite. So in between, that will be the formation of gamma austenite plus Fe3C. So this mixture gamma austenite plus Fe3C, that will be up to these regions. So if any transformation that will be occurs up to the 4.3% of carbon, so that will be known as a hypoeutectic transformation. And after 4.3% of carbon to maximum 6.67% of carbon, so this region, so that will be known as a hypereutectic transformation. So if you want to learn in details of the hypoeutectic and hypereutectic transformations for the binary metal alloys, so you will find a link in my description box. But right now I will only discussing with the eutectic reactions. So just you can make a different point onto the eutectic transformation line. So just above the eutectic temperature, so that will be the point A, and around room temperature, so that will be representation of the point B. So now I would like to draw a microstructural view at different points. So starting with a point A. So just you can see at above the eutectic point, it will be the only formation of 100% liquid. So just you can see that will be the 100% liquid for iron and carbon. So that will be maximum 4.3% of carbon is being present in the form of the liquid, and most of the iron particles that will be also in the form of liquid. So that will be nothing but carbon and iron is being present. So carbon, that will be 44.3%, and it will be the formation of 100% liquid. So that will be the eutectic liquid mixture. Now I would like to draw a microstructure at point B. So for 4.3% of carbon at a room temperature, so at point B. So at point B, or you can say around room temperature, so that will be the gamma austenite plus cementite, or you can say Fe3C. So that will be the making alternate layers of gamma and Fe3C. So that will be nothing but ledeburite. So this is all regarding for the eutectic reactions. So in the simple way or general case, liquid, or you can say 100% liquid, that will be transforming into the two new solid at a eutectic temperature and eutectic compositions. So that will be known as a eutectic reactions. So if you like this, then subscribe and share more the mechanical engineering tutorials. Thank you so much and keep watching.